treat yourself to a test drive in the 2016 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Dodge infused the interior with top-shelf amenities, such as an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, and a split folding rear seat. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.